little friends, are you ready to sing? Letters and sounds, let's learn everything. Shake your hands and smile wide. The alphabet's a fun-filled ride. Hey! A is for angel, kind and bright. B is for ball, roll it left and right. C is for car, beep beep go. D is for duck, quack quack hello. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for flower, all day long. G is for grape, purple and round. H is for hat, put it on your crown. Round and round the letters go. A to Z, fast and slow. Sing it loud, sing it proud. Alphabet fun, shout it out loud. I is for iguana, green and slow. J is for jigsaw, piece by piece we go. K is for kangaroo, jump, jump high. L is for lamp, shining nearby. M is for monkey, funny face. N is for nose, right in its place. O is for octopus, 8 arms wide. P is for pizza, slice inside. Round and round the letters go. A to Z, fast and slow. Sing it loud, sing it proud. Alphabet fun, shout it out loud. Q is for quarry, dig, dig down. R is for raccoon, sneak around. S is for snake, slither slow. T is for turtle, go, go, go. U is for umbrella, rain or sun. V is for volcano, rumble fun. W is for watermelon, juicy and sweet. X is for x-ray, bones we meet. Round and round the letters go. A to Z, fast and slow. Sing it loud, sing it proud. Alphabet fun, shout it out loud. I'm there. I is for Yeti, big footprint show. Z is for zombie, move so slow. We learned our letters, A to Z. Great job, kids!